Yo guys, so as I promised, I'll be dropping video on this channel every single day. So this is the opportunity for you also to be checking on the channel every single day to get an update about free funded accounts and how you can go about them. Remember, this video is for entertainment purpose and educational purpose only. I'm not in partnership with any of the pro firm. Remember, to do your own investigation. As I drop the information for you, I won't do research to give you the update. Yours is to also get onto them and then do your own investigation before you join them. Don't see this video and just run and start doing registration on any profile. Do your own research before you do so. So let's get started. Today I have 10K free account for you, and I promise you guys this Christmas season, everybody must get an account at least. So keep on watching my video. If any of the updates fit your style, then you engage with them and get account for yourself. So keep on viewing this channel every single day. I will drop video for you on an update. I'm doing the research so hard so that I can get everybody an information that can fit the person with an account. Okay, so let's go straight to this profile webpage. Remember, this is publicly available on the internet. You can also go and search for them and get them. So this is the funded top firm that they are giving 10K free account to everyone. I don't know how they are going to distribute this account though. So I'm also going to partake in the registration process and see how this is going to work for us. So to get the link, go down to this video description. I post my Telegram link there. Just click on it and join my Telegram channel, and you see the direct link to their website. Okay. So when you're on the website here, you just have to fill in this detail quickly. So let me just do that in a pause mode as it's a security or for a safety of my details. Okay. So after I fill in my details and submit or click on start challenge, this is the feedback that I get or the pop-up window that says share on social media and get benefits. That is the Discord and Facebook, whatever, or Meta. Check your email to verify the account. So I'll just go to my mobile phone quickly and check for the verification email. Okay, so let me check and see whatever come. I will update you quickly on it. Okay, so let me just check for that verification message to see if it has arrived in my inbox. So I have verified my email and then log into my dashboard, but I'm not seeing exactly what I'm being promised to see. But let's check on the terms and conditions or whatever the account is before we conclude. So I say account permission is zero and no time limit, 100% overall losses, and 5% daily losses, instant payout, and these are the tax they put in place right here. So I'm still trying to log in and then get access to the account, but it's not going through. I don't know what is going on. With the email they sent to me for the verification, I saw the email and then I made the verification from there and I was able to log in on my phone right here, but I'm not getting the account. Okay, so I don't know how much time it's going to take for the account to be distributed. So they are saying we thank you for choosing FundedTop and wish you successful trading. So I don't know. I'm still waiting. So I will get into their Discord and chat them. That is the only way I used to do it. So I will update everybody on it. If you also register, you can also join their Discord straightforward and ask them questions. Okay, so I will update in the Telegram channel, whatever info I get back. Okay, guys, I love you guys all. Let's do this as one family, as we claim this account. Goodbye and see you tomorrow on another update. Join the Telegram channel to see the next update on this account. Okay, so goodbye and see you tomorrow.